Delicious pork ribs recipe. Let's make it. 2 pounds baby back ribs, cross-cut. Remove the silver skin. Then cut the ribs into pieces. Soak ribs in water for 30 minutes to remove blood. "30 minutes later. Then wash them with water. Dry ribs using a paper towel. A little bit of salt and pepper. Mix well. Heat the cooking oil. Sear pork ribs until slightly brown. Remove some excess oil. Sauté garlic until fragrant. Saute ginger for 10 seconds. Then mix them together. Add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. One tablespoon of calamansi extract or lemon juice. Cover for 2 minutes. Add 1½ cups of Coca-Cola. Three-quarters cup of hot water. Add more later if needed. One stalk green onion. 2 star anise. Bring to a boil. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, Thai chili pepper, adjust to taste. Simmer over low heat until pork ribs becomes tender. Remove the green onion and star anise. A pinch of chicken powder or magic sarap. Continue cooking until sauce reduced. Continue cooking until sauce thickens. Uncover. Add salt and pepper if needed. Sprinkle with green onions and sesame seeds, optional. Done. Bon appetit! Wow, delicious!